The healthy benefits of artichokes. A nutritional powerhouse. Artichokes, those unique and flavorful vegetables often found nestled among the produce section, hold a treasure trove of health benefits beyond their culinary appeal. Known for their robust flavor and versatility in cooking, artichokes also boast an impressive nutritional profile that supports various aspects of human health. From aiding digestion to providing essential vitamins and minerals, here's an exploration of why including artichokes in your diet can contribute to overall well-being. Nutritional breakdown. Artichokes cineriscolamus belong to the thistle family and are primarily cultivated for their edible flower buds. These buds, when cooked or prepared correctly, offer a rich source of dietary fiber, antioxidants, vitamins, and minerals. Here's a closer look at the key nutritional components found in artichokes. 1. Dietary fiber. Artichokes are packed with dietary fiber, particularly inulin. Fiber supports digestive health by promoting regular bowel movements and feeding beneficial gut bacteria, which in turn helps maintain a healthy gut environment. 2. Antioxidants. Rich in antioxidants such as quercetin, rutin, and anthocyanins, artichokes help combat oxidative stress and inflammation in the body. These compounds have been linked to reducing the risk of chronic diseases such as heart disease and certain cancers. 3. Vitamins and minerals. Artichokes are a good source of several essential vitamins and minerals, including vitamin C, important for immune function and skin health. Vitamin K, vital for blood clotting and bone health. Folate, essential for cell division and DNA synthesis. Potassium, helps regulate blood pressure and fluid balance. Magnesium, supports muscle function and energy production. Health benefits. 1. Digestive health. One of the most notable benefits of artichokes is their ability to support digestive health. The high fiber content promotes regular bowel movements, alleviates constipation, and helps maintain a healthy balance of gut bacteria. The prebiotic fiber in artichokes, particularly inulin, serves as food for beneficial probiotic bacteria in the gut, which contribute to overall digestive well-being. 2. Heart health. Artichokes offer several benefits that support cardiovascular health. The antioxidants present in artichokes help reduce oxidative stress and inflammation, both of which are linked to heart disease. Additionally, the potassium content in artichokes helps regulate blood pressure by counteracting the effects of sodium, thus promoting a healthy cardiovascular system. 3. Liver support. Studies suggest that compounds found in artichokes, such as cynarin and silymarin, may aid in liver health and function. These compounds help promote bile production, which aids in the digestion and absorption of fats and fat-soluble vitamins. Artichokes have also been studied for their potential to protect the liver from damage caused by toxins and oxidative stress. 4. Blood sugar regulation. The fiber content in artichokes, along with certain compounds like cynarin, may help regulate blood sugar levels. Fiber slows down the absorption of glucose in the bloodstream, preventing spikes and crashes in blood sugar levels. This property makes artichokes a valuable addition to the diet for individuals with diabetes or those looking to manage their blood sugar levels. 5. Weight management. Due to their high fiber content and relatively low calorie count, artichokes can be a beneficial food for weight management. Fiber helps promote feelings of fullness and satiety, which can reduce overall calorie intake. Additionally, the prebiotic fiber in artichokes supports a healthy gut environment, which is increasingly recognized as a factor in maintaining a healthy weight. 6. Skin health. The antioxidants found in artichokes, particularly vitamin C, contribute to skin health by combating free radicals that can damage skin cells and accelerate aging. Vitamin C is essential for collagen production, which helps maintain skin elasticity and firmness. Including artichokes in your diet can contribute to a healthy complexion and may reduce the appearance of wrinkles and fine lines. 7. Bone health. Artichokes contain several nutrients essential for bone health, including vitamin K and magnesium. Vitamin K is crucial for bone mineralization and helps maintain bone density, reducing the risk of fractures and osteoporosis. Magnesium supports bone structure and strength, making artichokes a valuable addition to a diet aimed at preserving skeletal health. Culinary uses and tips. Artichokes can be enjoyed in various culinary preparations, from simple steaming or grilling to incorporating them into salads, dips, and pasta dishes. Here are some tips for preparing and enjoying artichokes. Steaming. Steam whole artichokes until tender, then serve with a dipping sauce such as lemon, garlic butter, or aioli. Grilling. Cut artichokes in half, brush with olive oil and herbs, then grill until tender and slightly charred. Salads. Add marinated artichoke hearts to salads for a burst of flavor and texture. Dips. Blend artichoke hearts with Greek yogurt, garlic, and herbs to make a creamy and nutritious dip. Pasta. Toss cooked artichoke hearts with pasta, cherry tomatoes, spinach, and olive oil for a quick and delicious meal. Conclusion. Artichokes are not only a delicious addition to meals but also offer a myriad of health benefits that support overall well-being. From promoting digestive health and heart health to aiding in blood sugar regulation and supporting skin and bone health, artichokes provide a nutritious boost with every serving. Whether steamed, grilled, or incorporated into various dishes, artichokes are a versatile vegetable that can be enjoyed in countless ways while contributing to a healthier lifestyle. Consider adding artichokes to your diet regularly to reap their nutritional rewards and enhance your culinary repertoire.